Hi, good day to everybody. Today we are going to learn about Microsoft Excel. What is Microsoft Excel, why it is being used, and how it is being used. There will be a series of tutorials for the beginners, intermediate, and expert level users. So let's start without wasting any time. On the top, you can see the menu bar: File, Home, Insert, Page, Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, and View. These all options will be covered in the next sessions. So let's start from the very basic. This is the home tab, and these are all options related to formatting. That's the address bar, that's a formula bar. Definitely we'll be covering in detail what is these all bars meant to be there. So let's say these are column A, B, C, and D. All the columns are named with the titles A, B, C, and D. These are rows, row 1, 2, 3, and so on. On the bottom side, you can see the name of this sheet is sheet 1. You can add multiple sheets. Just click on this plus sign and you can add more sheets. Sheets are just like you can say the pages in the book. Page 1, page 2, page 3, and then you can store different content on each sheet. Let's talk about now these blocks. Here you can see these are all the blocks are there. In Excel terminology, we call it as a cell. Each cell is having a particular identification known as address, cell address. So this is called cell, and cell address will be, like you can see, the column A is highlighted in row number 1. So the cell address will be, here you can see, A1. So the cell address is A1. If you click here, so corresponding column is B and the row is 3, which means the cell address is B3. Wherever you click, you can get the cell address. It's very simple, E and then row number 7, or simple method, you can see here E7. Now each cell is referred by its address. So for example, if some data is stored in cell A1 and let's say I want to refer to cell A1 or to this cell, so this will be address A1. Its addressing is simple as just like you are having a book and book is having multiple pages. So let's say if I say that okay, open page number 8, page number 9, so definitely you will open the page number 8 or page number 9 as per the sequence of the page numbers. Same here, if I say cell A1, which means this one, cell G7 for example, so this is the G column and row number 7, so this cell is G7. Now we'll talk about a little bit about the formatting a cell. Now in A1 you can see some text is entered, and which is left aligned because definitely these are alphabets, that's normal text, so it is left aligned. If it is here, then cell B1, let's say we enter few digits. Now you can see digits are right aligned, so automatically Excel detects that what kind of data is there, either it's a text or numbers, digits. So digits will automatically be right aligned. For sure you can change the alignment and formatting later on. We'll see how to do that. Okay, let's start from test format. Press enter. Now you can see the cell width or the column width is not that much. It's not our sum of the text is being cut, like here you can see in the formula bar test format, but here in the cell itself you can't see. So bring the mouse here. Okay, I will click here. Once this plus sign comes, double click or drag manually towards right side. So let's double click this one. Automatically the column width adjusts according to the length of the text. If you want to manually increase it, you can increase by this way, but remember it will affect the complete column. Now here you can see this one, this is font style. You can change the font style, you can increase the font size 12, or it's a shortcut, press this one and automatically the size will be increased. Double click here again to adjust as per the width of the text. These are digits. Let's see, increase the font size, fill the background color, change the fore color, or anything you want, whichever color, or you can make more color as well, the color combination. You want to put this color or this color, it's up to you. Now here you can see the preview of the color, that how does it look, and then later on, okay, press OK, and the text color for color is changed. Now let's increase the width of these columns or cells a little bit to show you how this other formatting works. Okay, this one you can see top aligned, this one is middle aligned. Middle means top, bottom, left and right. Okay, so this will be top and bottom is aligned. Now center aligned is this one, right aligned or left aligned, bottom aligned, whichever you wish to do as per your requirements. This one also you can make it. Okay, let's make both same. You can make the text bold, underline, italic as well. And for the cell bar, now currently there is no border. If you print this one, there will be no borders around these cells. So if you want to have a border, then you can select. These are different border styles overall around both of the cells, because we've selected two cells, or all borders, it will be like this. Now the next thing is, if you want to change the orientation of the text, these are by default. So you can see, now you can see again it's not getting adjusted. Double click here to increase the row height, double click here to, okay, we'll drag it manually, okay, to adjust the width of the cell. Still it's huge because of the size of the text, so let's decrease the size a little bit and change the orientation. Let's see this one. This is useful especially for box file naming or labeling. You can increase the height. Okay, so text format is coming like this. Rotate text up, rotate text down. These are all options, you can try it out clockwise, or the other thing, you can click on format cell alignment. Click on this. Now on the right hand side you can see this is the text orientation. So either you can put the degrees, the angle, or drag it, and then automatically the text will be adjusted. Format cell alignment, so the orientation, I'll put here for example 90°, press OK, so the format is changed. So again I will just wrap it up. This is the cell address, formula bar, these are called cells. The column title is A, row number 1, so cell address is A1. This cell address is B1, you can see here, or B is highlighted, corresponding row number is 1, so the cell address is B1. Other things we'll be covering in next sessions. So for now, have a nice day. Bye bye.